The moment we stepped on board, we knew this was more than a party. This was an experience. As the yacht glided across the Lagos waterways, the city revealed itself in a new light. Calm waters, open skies, and endless views. Laughter filled the air. Music took control, and just like that, strangers became a community, united by joy and unforgettable moments. From the gentle cruise tour to the rhythm of dance on deck, every beat told a story of freedom, connection, and celebration. Plates were filled at the buffet, flavors shared, smiles exchanged, because good food tastes even better when enjoyed on the water. Cameras clicked non-stop, capturing candid smiles, bold poses, and memories frozen in time. Every photograph told its own story, telling of happiness, elegance, and pure enjoyment.